So let me show you how to access the equalizer settings of your Sony XM6 headphones. So to do this, you need to download and install the Sound Connect app. It's available on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, right? So the Sound Connect app, let me just show you what it looks like. This app right here. So it's available for both iPhone and Android users. So launch the app after installing it and then set it up with your headphones. And of course, this is going to be the end result. So anytime you launch the app, you can scroll down and then you'll find Equalizer. Okay, so you can tap on that and then you can choose from any of these preset equalizers. So this is heavy, you have clear, hard, soft. These are different equalizations. And also you can choose your own custom equalizations. Now to set your own custom equalization, just select custom and then tap on close. And then now you can tap on this little arrow in the top left, top right corner of Equalizer, this little arrow, tap on that, and then tap on this arrow again, and then tap on settings. And then now you can adjust your EQ settings to exactly the way you want, right? So that's basically how to adjust the EQ settings on the Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones. So once you're done setting everything, you can now tap OK, and that's going to be saved as your custom one EQ settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.